So hello friends, welcome back in my new video. So guys, today our topic is how to secure your kids iPhone. If you are trusted your child with an iPhone, make sure their device is as secure as possible by adjusting settings for location, screen time, passcodes and more. You can do just about anything with a smartphone. So Apple has baked in a number of security features on the iPhone and iOS to keep its user and their data as safe as possible when interacting with the digital world. If you are concerned about your kids' safety, security and privacy, here are some security features and configuration to consider if you are interested in them. An iPhone. Set passcodes. Secure your kids' iPhone ID. The first line of defense when it comes to device security is the passcode. When you hand your of-age kid an iPhone, they will need to create an Apple ID that connects it to the Apple services and a passcode in order to access the iPhone. Create a strong Apple ID password with a combination of letter, upper and lowercase, numbers and special characters. The more complex your passwords, the harder you are for hackers to crack. That could also make them harder for you to remember, but you have a few tips for recurring difficult password. An extra security step is to enable two-factor authentication for your kid's Apple ID, which requires additional credentials when accessing the account from a trusted device or via the web. This ensures that the account is protected even somebody else has the account password. Turn it on via setting, tap account at top, password and security, two-factor authentication. Then your kid signs into the account for the first time on a new device or with a new password. They will enter the password or a 6-digit code displayed on a trusted device or sent to a phone number. Note that once two-factor authentication is enabled, you can only turn it off within 2 weeks of activating it. After that, two-factor is there to stay. You can add your number as an additional trusted phone number as a backup because while kids open settings, tap account at top, password and security under trusted phone number, tap add a trusted phone number. Secure the iPhone itself. The next step is to create a passcode to access your kid's iPhone itself. A 6-digit passcode is suggested by default by app, but you can get a longer, more complex, or dare I say it, shorter passcode. Work with your kid to pick a passcode that's safe but not intimidating. Navigate to settings, touch face ID and passcode. Enter passcode where you can set up a passcode, change an existing one or turn the passcode on off. Not recommended. In addition to a passcode, newer iPhones offer the option to add either Touch ID, fingerprint or Face ID. Face scan that person to a user, which makes the device more secure and faster to access versus entering a password in certain cases. Thanks pandemic. With a passcode and touch face ID enabled, your kid's iPhone is inaccessible without the proper credentials. But some data can be accessed while the phone is locked, like Siri, notification center, wallet, and message replies, which can contain sensitive information. To view or hide these features, go into settings, touch face ID and passcode, enter passcode under allow access when unlocked. Enable, disable the feature you feel comfortable being accessible or visible when the phone is locked. Now that Apple ID password and iPhone passcode is set, keep track of these credentials before it's pointless to set this all for your kid only to have them forget the credentials. A strong password manager can get the job done. Screen time restrictions. When it was introduced in iOS 13, screen time offered a way to keep track of how much time you spend on your iPhone. It lets you set time limits on categories of apps, 2 hours per day on social media apps, for example. There's the times app alerts are easy to swipe away and ignore. Apple has since stepped up its screen time security measures. Parents can control who their children communicate with or what apps they have access to, as well as manage the overall type of content that appears on their devices. So I hope friends you enjoy this video. So guys, please like this video. See you in next video. Goodbye.